Here we go. We have a question, find the sum of last n nodes of the linked list. So you have given a single linked list and we need to calculate the sum of the last n nodes. It is guaranteed that n is smaller than size of the linked list. So we need to count the last three linked list summations. Last three nodes in a linked list summation. So these are the three last n means three linked list nodes. So the summation of these three values is 17. And in this case, we need to calculate two nodes. So summation of these last two nodes is 3. So let's try to build the approach. We have given this test case and n is 3. We need to calculate summation of last three nodes. So initially head is pointing to this 5 and current is pointing to the head node. And let's take a variable answer. Answer is initially 0. So we count this value, answer becomes 5. We have taken a node, so now n becomes 2. So now current moves to next value, its value is 7, so plus 7. Then we have taken this node, n decrements, current moves to next position. We have taken this value by taking plus 4 and n becomes 0. Now current moves to this value. In this case, we take this value, just bear with me, we take this value. So so let me add 1 here. So we have taken this value, n becomes negative, means we have taken one extra value. So we need to delete this value, we need to remove this. So what I will do is, I have another pointer, previous pointing to head initially, and when n reaches negative value, n is negative in this case, so we just decrement this value. So I have minus 5 here. So now previous jump to next value. So as you can see, our n becomes positive. So we have taken summation of these three values. Current pointing to the latest node. So now current jumps to next node. We have taken this value by taking plus 2. N becomes negative. If n is negative, we have to decrement this value. So let's subtract minus 7. Previous jumps to next value. So till current, we have taken summation of 4, 1 and 2, because this 7 will cancel out this 7, this 5, this cancel out this 5. So we have 1, 2 and 4 remains, and n is 0. Current moves to next value. So we have taken this value plus 6. Our n becomes minus 1. So we have to delete this value. So previous is 4. We have to decrement minus 4. Previous jumps to next value. And also need to increment our n. So we have 1. 4 will cancel out this 4. So we have 2 and we have 6. So this is the last n nodes. So we just need to do the summation and return integer. So let's try to code this. First we have current points to head, previous points to head. Answer 0, while current is not equal to null. We need to take the current value and also decrement n. If n is negative, then we need to subtract previous value because we are considering current value, and also previous jump to next value. Then current will increment. Here you can do n plus plus, but it is not required. So then we need to return the answer. So let's try to submit this, and the time complexity for this code is order of n, and space complexity for this code is constant, and the code is given in the description box. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we have successfully solved this question by meeting the expected time and space complexity. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.